Cocoon just released a huge update, and today I'm going to show you guys the new features and everything that you need to know. Now, if this is your first time installing Cocoon, link in the description of my full Cocoon guide from the beginning. In this video, we're just going to be talking about the new updates. So first, before we update Cocoon, I'm going to show you guys how to back up your current layout just in case something's going wrong with the update. So when you're on the Cocoon home menu, you're going to click on Start, then you're going to head down to System and Advanced, scroll down to Backup Layout, and you're just going to click that. It's going to back up your layout, and if anything goes wrong, you can head back to the screen and click on Restore Layout and just click on that same backup. Now, in order to update, you're going to head to the GitHub page. That should be the second link down in the description. You're going to click the 2.1 beta release, and then you should get a pop-up that says update. You're just going to go ahead and update it, and you will be good to go. Now, the first major thing they added in this update is the theme store. So in order to access that, we're going to head to the settings. So you have to click on Start, click Start again, and here it says Silk Pod. This is going to allow you to browse through the different user submitted themes here, and you can simply download whichever one that you want to. So you're going to click on a theme, click install, and depending on how many assets are in this theme, it will take a while to download. Now, when you scroll down, you're going to be able to see a list of all the themes, and you can also click on RB and LB to go through assets. So this is really nice if you just want to download, say, icons, maybe backgrounds, and you can just download them separately. This is going to allow you to mix and match different assets from different themes. So in order to apply your new themes, you're going to head to Settings by clicking Start twice, go to Theme here at the top, and at the top, you can go ahead and choose the theme that you just downloaded, or if you just want, say, icon overlays, or the icons for your folder, you can go to that specific section and apply it there. As you can see, I have the Dot Hero theme for the Smart Folder Heroes, but for the icons, I choose the Cocoonix theme up here. So that makes these icons look like this, but when I go to the home screen, you can see the dot kind of heroes as well. Now, something else really cool I wanted to show off within this theme section is Catricon. Basically what that does is it makes your games look like the actual cartridge or disc from the original system. So once you download it from here, head over to your settings, theme, and icon overlays. We're going to choose that Catricon that we just downloaded. Make sure you click Y to save. Now, as you can see, you can already see the Nintendo Switch cartridges applied here. If we go into DS, we have the DS cartridges, 3DS, and even disc-based systems like GameCube. We're going to see these discs here. So play around with different themes, different assets. Also head to the Cocoon Discord. They have even more assets. Not everyone has ported their themes over to the store in Cocoon. Now, let's say there's a set of icons or wallpapers that aren't available on that theme store and you want to apply it to your layout. You can go to the Discord, download the zip file that they provide for you. Once you do that, you're going to head to the settings here, go to theme, and you're going to scroll down to import zip file right here. I'm going to choose the zip file I just downloaded, and it says imported one asset pack. Now when I head to icons, I'm gonna see those icons I just downloaded right there, and you click on that Y check mark there at the top, and there it is. As you guys can see, we have new icons from the Discord. Now, another big feature is Android app shortcuts. We can now have shortcuts from Game Hub as well as Game Native without having to go through any extra steps. So in order to do this, you're gonna head to Game Hub, find the game that you want to add, head to these three dots right here, and just click Add to Home Screen. And then on Game Native, it's pretty similar. You want to find the game that you have downloaded, go to Settings, and Create Shortcut. And there it is. And you can also scrape the art separately so you don't have this kind of low res image here. Now, another really cool thing is the FlutterType Input. This allows you to get mouse and keyboard functionality on this bottom screen while you're playing any kind of PC games here on the top screen. So in order to get this to work, I'm going to boot up Slots and Daggers here through Game Hub. Once you have the game running, you're going to head to the bottom screen, and you're going to see this little icon on your dock here at the bottom. You're going to click on that one and choose Flutterkey. This is going to give you your keyboard, but we're going to switch over to pad. Head to the settings, and then you're going to keep it on this touch icon here. Now, once I move this around, as you can see, it moves around the mouse at the top. And you can also use this ball setting. You can kind of drag and glide your mouse using this setting, but I usually just keep it on pad here. Now let's talk about the new Now Playing companion screen here at the bottom. So this works the best with RetroArt, and so you can move around, play like this, and then when you click on that home button, it's going to take a second, and the game that you were playing appears here on the left. There's a new section here for Now Playing games, and you can just close it from here and very easily open up a different game, and sometimes you may have to launch it twice. It's not fully working at the moment. It's only able to track one game in RetroArch at a time, but you can even do something like opening up a PSP game, and when you click on that home button, you can go right back to the other game that you were playing and just super easily switch between them using this feature. Now the bottom now playing screen automatically darkens. If you want to change any of those settings down there, you just head to settings, appearance, now playing, and you can change the screen darkening here, and you can even just have your wallpaper background instead of the background of the game. Now there's also a search feature, so you can click on start, go to search, and you can search for, say, all of your Mario games, and they will all pop up here. And you can also add little sound effects per system. So I went and found a DS startup jingle here, click on start twice, we're gonna head to the settings, go down to library and data, jingles per platform defaults here, we're gonna find DS, I'm gonna apply that new sound I just downloaded, and then you can exit out of that. Now that I've added that DS jingle, when you click on it, also, on the topic of jingles, different themes also have different sound effects. Here I have the PS2 theme for the background music and sound effects when you start up a game or an app. So if I open up Game Hub here. Now also something I wanted to mention, that there is a new website where you can actually build your own themes and export them to a zip file and upload them to your device. That's going to be pretty much it for this video, guys. Any questions, leave them down in the comments. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. It's easy. And we'll see you guys next time.